And welcome back to Plays with Cars YouTube channel. It is sort of Miniature Monday, sort of Tech Tip Tuesday. I'm not sure. I've made a couple of videos trying to come up with things. This one's in the kitchen. I have a hot pot here for a reason because I've been playing with Hot Wheels. Circuit Legends came out. The brand new Mazda 787B, and one thing that's been pointed out is in the package, if you can see here, the Ford GT, the wing is nice and straight. The Mazda is bent, super cockeyed. You see that? What happened is the Mazda can shake around in the package, and the Ford can't. And so the Ford stays nice. You take it out of the package, it's got a nice straight wing, no problems. Whereas the Mazda, when you take it out, looks like that, which is terrible because this is like the prettiest car Hot Wheels has done in a very long time. So we're going to attempt to fix that with some hot water. So I've got a little bowl here, nice steaming hot water. We're gonna dip bloop that spoiler in there. Let it get nice and warm. And we're gonna kinda, that is like super floppy. We're just gonna hold it where we want it while it cools down. And that should, in theory, make it set that way. Man, this thing is like super soft. You saw we were dipped in there all of a couple seconds. It's like watching paint dry, only it's watching plastic cure. And just like that, we have a perfectly straight Mazda wing to go with our perfectly straight Ford wing. It was just that easy. You see again there in the package, see our difference. And all it took was boiling water. I just took mine straight out of the kettle, the bowl, dipped it in, wait a couple seconds for it to get nice and soft, and then held it back in the original place while it cooled down. And once it got back to room temperature, she's all good to go. And notice it doesn't harm the paint or the Tampo decal or anything. We didn't get it so soft that it bowed, like it just came right up. So yeah, that is your tech tip for Tuesday, thanks to a Miniatures Monday. I have no idea what day I'm actually going to put this up, because this is all new to me, so bear with me, but hopefully you guys enjoyed that, and I got more coming for you later.